You're eating chocolate with mummies. Do you know what we could do, Vincent?
What?
A balloon race, but
What?
with Mario. Oh, okay.
Trying to do Mario like this.
Well, it's a bit harder. Listen. Okay, so we're not doing it?
Yeah!
Okay. Okay. First thing we do is we go and choose which Marios we want, and then we'll do the race here. Yeah? Let's go! Let's go! Run! Run! 3, 2, 1, blast off! Yes! We're gonna do Toad versus Mario! Yeah!
I'm down here at the kitchen.
We're gonna print it.
I turned it on.
Go!
Sweat from it.
There!
No mushroom. The mushroom.
Toad. It's called Toad. So we're gonna
Toad.
start with Toad. Nice. Oh, it's Mario! We got this. We got a bit of cardboard from our weekly Gusto box, which we're gonna reuse. And all we're missing is a Vincent. Is there a Vincent anywhere? Oh yeah! Balloons! Oh, how could we forget about the balloons, Mummy? How did we forget about this? Balloons. Right. Balloons, characters, rope, everything. Ready?
Ready!
Set?
Go!
Go. Okay. Let's do this.
Just look around the corners.
Hey Vincent, show me the races. Show the other way? The other side? Nice.
I think it's gonna do like this. Can they both win?
Okay, now we need to do the racetrack. We need a racetrack. The straw's done. Yeah?
Draws done.
Show me the races. Okay, Vincent. Now I think we got Mario.
Because you know what's good?
Vincent, show what we got.
Because this,
We got Toad and we got Mario.
and this go
We've done the racetrack.
here.
It's gonna go all the way here with all the lily characters. I'm gonna congratulate them. Well done, Mummy. Vincent. I know. Okay, and now we're done. We're finished. All right. Goodbye. Oh.
What about the balloons?
We're gonna do the. Oh yes, yes. We're gonna do the race. I forgot. Sorry,
No,
Vincent.
I picked the balloons.
Okay, we got the balloons. All right. Listen. Here's what we're doing. We got Mario with a balloon on top. We got Toad on the other side with a balloon that's already falling. Toad and Mario. This is gonna be the Super Mario Kart balloon race extravaganza.
And they're gonna fly.
They're gonna fly, and they're gonna be received by the crowd.
And I will see which one goes first.
Good. Test number 1. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, go. Wow! Ah! So close.
Close.
Are you for Toad or for Mario?
Both.
Both. Kevin's there. He's the referee. This is the racetrack all the way to Toad and Mario. You ready, Vincent?
Yes.
Mummy, you ready?
Yes, waiting for the countdown.
Mario, Toad. This is the balloon race, Super Mario Kart edition. Countdown. 3, 2.
No, I will say it.
He will say.
3, 2, 1. Blast off.
I guess Mario won. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Mario won! We're gonna do another one. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Let's Mario again! Once again, Super Mario Kart Race Toad versus Mario Balloon Blow Edition. Okay, are you ready, Mummy?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, blast off! Oh! Oh! Super Mario won! Yeah! Super Mario won again! And the big champion is Super Mario! Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another edition of Balloon Races. The contenders will have to go along the track and the first one to get to the end wins. This edition will feature Lee and Butterfly Lily by Mummy. Vincent, are we ready there?
Yes.
Kevin, are we ready there?
Yes.
Are you Kevin? Okay, countdown in 3, 2, 1, go! Ah! It was Lily! Lily won! Lily won! Okay, that was the end of our races for today. We'll do some more tomorrow. And now we're gonna go. Say bye-bye, Vincent.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Daddy. Bye.
Join us for my experiments. Subscribe.